Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to discuss about Komaram Bhim, a Gone freedom fighter. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. So let's get started. Komaram Bhim. Komaram Bhim, a forgotten Adivasi leader who gave the slogan Jal Jangal Jameen. It is not very often that one hears name of Komaram Bhim in the line of great Adivasi or tribal leaders of the country. Though he has been no less of a martyr in Adivasi struggle for autonomy, his history is erased from history texts just like many Adivasi histories. Apart from it, very few know that Jal Jangal Jameen, the popular slogan of Adivasi movements, was first given by Komaram Bhim. In his movement against Nizams, he argued that complete rights on all the resources of forest should be given to Adivasis. Komaram Bhim belonged to Gond Koitur community and was born in Sankepalli of Adilabad district, Telangana in 1900. Adilabad district is located on North Telangana, making border with the state of Maharashtra. The region was predominantly populated by Gonds and was under sovereignty of Gond Kingdom of Chandrapur and Ballalpur. Bhim's childhood was spent without any exposure to the outside world. He did not have any formal education and he grew up seeing and experiencing the plights of his people. In order to survive, Bhim kept moving from one place to other, trying to protect himself from exploitation of businessmen and extortion of officials. Crops produced after Podu farming were taken away by Nizam officials. Janglats arguing that the land was theirs, they had cut fingers of Adivasi children, accusing them of illegally cutting down of trees. Tax were collected forcefully, otherwise false cases were registered. After being left with nothing in hand from farming, people had started moving out of the villages. In such situation, his father was killed by forest officials for asserting Adivasi's rights. Bhim was agitated by murder of his father, and after father's death, his family moved from Sankepalli to Sardarpur. He went to Assam to work in tea plantation with a person he met at Marchilia railway station. He worked there for 4.5 years, where he also protested against plantation owners for the right of workers in tea plantation and was also arrested during this struggle. After 4 days, Bhim managed to escape from jail. From Assam railway station, he got into a goods train and reached Ballar Shah. While he was in Assam, he had heard about Alluri Sitaram Raju, who was leading the Adivasi struggles in forest. He remembered struggles of Ramji Gond, who had fought against Nizam's atrocities. After returning, he started planning and organizing future struggle of Adivasis. The present Telangana state was one part of Nizam's rule of Hyderabad state. He mobilized Adivasi youth and common people and formed a guerrilla army with them to protest for the land rights. He proposed a plan to declare themselves as independent Gond kingdom. Bhim's demand for a separate Gond state was the first in the series of demands for autonomous Gondwana state for Gonds. Bhim's speech encouraged them to participate in the struggle for land, food and freedom. People have decided to fight until their last breath for protecting their future. During this time, Bhim raised the slogan of Jal Jangal Jameen. Nizam Sarkar did not listen to the demands of Bhim and Gond's operation continued, while Nizam Sarkar started conspiring to kill Bhim. Nizam Sarkar failed to capture him and his army. Gond's people history provides us an entirely different story. It suggests that these claims are mere propaganda to associate Bhim into Hindu nationalist discourse by manipulating history. Bhim's movement against Nizam was solely born out of denial of basic Adivasi rights over land, resources and demand for autonomy. In his people's imagination, he was only seeking to liberate his people from Dikkus, outsiders, and was fighting for justice and self-rule. In the light of decades-long Adivasi struggle for Patta rights, Komaram Bhim's contributions remain significant. He exemplifies a revolutionary icon for all Adivasi movements and also reminds us of the forgotten promises of nation and state towards the Adivasis. Komaram Bhim holds utmost respectful position among Gond Adivasi community and is considered as a deity, Pen. After long struggle, 72 years after his death, in 2012, Komaram Bhim's statue was installed at Tank Bund, Hyderabad. Komaram Bhim will forever remain as a leader and icon for long-age Adivasi struggle of Jal Jangal Jameen. Thank you. This presentation was done by Shravan Prakash Sudha Battala of Class 8th B, roll number 8238, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Bollaram.